Yangsiko, oh look at the moon. Ahanda the irise karino haiba. Oh look at the moon. Look at the picture and say what time it is. Name the things that you can see in the. Sereng se ahanba amta pathoksi. Let's recite the poem. Oh look at the moon haibadi. Recite tausi sereng se pathoksi haibaniko. Oh look at the moon. She is shining up there. Oh mother, she look like a lamb in the ear. Last week she was smaller and shaped like a bow, but now she is grown bigger and shaped like an oak. Sereng sina hairise karino? Yengsi. Oh look at the moon haibadi. Oh tha sidi yengu haiba. She is shining up there. Hakse mathakta ngale. Oh mother, she looks like a lamb in the ear haibadi. Oh ima. She looks like a lamb in the ear haibadi. Mahakse atiyada thaumai-gumna ure haiba. Last week she was smaller and shaped like a bow. Mamangi haptadadi mahakse pikami and shaped like a bow haibadi. Tien gumna oirami. But now she is grown bigger and shaped like an O haibadi. Adubu haujikti but haibadi adubu now she is grown bigger. Haujikti chaure mahak chaure and shaped like an O. O gumna mawong O gumbagi mawong oire haiba. Aduga sereng sigi word meaning khara oina nakoi tha urabra tha urabanatra tha haibadi moon haibane shining haibadi nganba mangal haibane aduga lamp haibadi kaino thangmei. Last week she was smaller and shaped like a bow hairibasida bow haiba ma yawi bow haibadi ten khangidana nakoi ten do aduga but now she was grown bigger and shaped like an O ko nakoi su uramagani tha haibase nongmagi asum chawkhalak e aduga last da ngasang ngangna chawna koina O dumaina haitare ko O dumaina uba aduni asigi saireng sida hairise ahanbagi saireng se takre pakre aduna paukum piba ngambra yengsi. What is the name of the poem? Saireng sigi maming kari kawi. The name of the poem is Oh look at the moon haigadaba. What looks like a lamb in the ear? The moon looks like a lamb in the ear. Aduna pikpa matamda thana pikpa matamda kari mawongda manbage haibako. What does the moon look like when she is smaller? The moon looks like bow when she is smaller. Answer ko. What does the moon look like when she grows bigger? Question number D. Arda paukumda kari hairani. The moon looks like an O when she grows bigger haigadaba. Let's play with rhyming words. Haiba number 2 gisenako activities number 2 da let's play with rhyming words haibadi karino rhyming words hanasi haibani masida aikoina rhyming words hairibase khangbagi mathau tai rhyming words haibadi aloibagi mayaktu manaba khonthok manaba hairimniko aduna mamaga machaga ni utlise ahanbagi se we know rhyming words don't we haina mama sina macha sida hairiba haibadi aikoi khange rhyming words haibase aikoi khangaba natra haibako adagaidi macha sina mo haire yes mother mama na mo haire let's play. I will say some words, read a poem and say one rhyming word for each one. Adoidi aikoi sanarasi I will say some words haibadi ai words kara hairake saireng do paro aduga rhyming words ama hairo o aina hairapka kudingi nang rhyming words ama hairo o haibako saireng do yengaga dei mama duna macha duga haire macha namu okay mother hoi ima haiba parasi answer ga konana ko took look noon moon hair ear father mother books looks ramp lamb cow bow taller smaller si answer ga konana haire. Activities question number 3. Activities number 3 write the opposite of the underlined words. Piramiba laijingiba words gi opposite ona tainaba hayu hae you hae. Oh look at the moon, she is shining up there. Masida she ga up ka underline tawrame sigi opposite kari hairani si haibadi nupi da haiba mahak haibani aduga mahagi opposite ta he hairani aikoina up hairagana mathak haibani mathak hairadi mathaki opposite ta down hairani ai isange hojik aina isale sigi opposite ti sigi ona tainabadi he up ki ona tainabadi down. Activity number 4. Read aloud the following pair of words. Launa pasi, launa pau haibane pair of words. Pair haibadi ani haibani ko. Ani words se launa pau haiba. Before, after, outside, inside. Day, night, beautiful, ugly. Peak, throw. Before haibadi karino. Before mamang, after matung, day ayuk nungdin, night nungdang. Beautiful phajaba, ugly athiba, outside mapan, inside manung, far lapa, near anakpa, peak khungatpa, throw langthokpa. Activity number 5. Think and say who I am haiba. Question number 5 da hai se think and say who I am hai se kari hai no khallu aduga ai kanano haibadi paukhon kai do khangbra riddles kai bedo paukhon chanba ka haibado adugumba gi mawong ne. Question number A. I live in the sky. Sometimes I am small and sometimes I am big. I glow at night. Who am I? I am the kanano karino hai se ai atiyada lei. Sometimes karigumba matamda ai pe karigumba matamda ai chawe ai nungdang da ngale ai kanano haiba adudi kari hairani I am the moon hairani. Number B. I live in the sky. I twinkle at night. I am not the moon. Who am I? I am a kari haini kari hairino asida hairi se ai atiyada lay. I twinkle at night. Ai nungdang da kuphet kaphet ngali. I am not the moon. Ai thadi natte ai kanano haiba adu aradi kanano kari ngali kuphet kaphet ngan bese I am a kari hairani star hairani. Number C. Da I am hot, I am bright, I am big, I give light. Who am I? I am the kari hai no ai sai ai ngale ai yam ngale ai chawe ai mangalpi ai kanano haiba ko atiyada laiba asaba anganba achauba mangalpi ba adu aikhoina kari ui numit adu aradi aikhoina I am the sun hairani. Activity number 6 da read this paragraph written by Puja. It describes what she saw one evening. Pujana iba paragraph se paro aduga paragraph asida Pujana nongma kari chandayak sangakpa matamda kari urambage haibadu mahakna sandokna tai. One evening I was looking at the sky. Nongma sandayak sangakpa matamda aina sky da yenglammi. It was 7 o'clock in the evening. Matamdu sandyagi pung 8 tarami. The moon was shining brightly. Thadu yamna sengna ngalami. It looks like a bright lamp in the sky. Yamna nganba thaumai gumna urami. I saw some stars too. Suddenly a shooting star flashed by. Haibadi shooting stars haibadi karino shooting stars haibadi thawar michak mathi aikoi maitai ron da thawar michak mathi haina khangnei ikhang khanghaudana thawar michak mathina punglaw na ngalame nganki haibana iba paragraph ni aduga sidai sida picture. Now look at the pictures below and write a few sentences of each of them. Asidai sida picture ani khak piramiba picture asigi maramda picture asina picture sida yauriba asi kari hairino haidana asigi maramda paragraph ngasagi Pujana iba paragraph atumaina iu haibani. Ahanbagi picture se yengasi aikoina idringaida kari no lairi se haiba yengsi. Lairi se numit laire, aeroplane laire, helicopter laire, uchek laire, nong laire, chumthang laire. Uriba picture sigi matungina aikoina paragraph ama idoribani adudi Pujana iriba siga akoisu manana uriba picture sigi matungina irasi. One afternoon I was looking at the sky. Pungdi tharamdre adu ragasu akoina haijalasi ko uchek su paiba matamni uchek na mayumda hanbagi tanja oina lauraga aikoina hairasi. It was 4 o'clock in the afternoon or 3 o'clock haibasu yai adu arasu sum paragraph ama oina irasi. One evening I was looking at the sky. It was 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the evening. The moon haibagi mahuta akoina the sun was shining brightly hairani. Aduga I saw the rainbow in the sky. I saw the birds flying in the sky. An aeroplane and a helicopter was also flying above the clouds. Haiba yai. Aduga mathangi picture side yamna udre. Asida udliba se thawan michaka thagani thase machet tha machet ni asibo aikoina crescent moon thaina kawi. Crescent haibadi tha machet haibani ko. Asidadi picture sigadi yamna udre amambasu ui. Adudi kari haina irani. One night I saw many stars twinkling in the sky. I saw a crescent moon shining brightly in the sky.